As you saw in the little intro clip, I've had some electrical problems with my garage of the breaker tripping. You don't actually know the problem. We're gonna try and solve the problem by I've already done tons of troubleshooting, and our last resort plan is to just run a new electrical wire with a larger breaker from the house to the garage, and we're gonna show you how we do that coming up here shortly. Our plan is to drill a hole in the house, run a line underground from the house to the garage, and then rewire into the garage, and then test it all, make sure it works, and see how it goes. Any thoughts?
That's right. Just that the line is the only thing it could be. We've changed the breaker. It keeps popping every hour or two. We've changed the wiring inside the garage. We've rewired the drop box coming out of the ground. Everything is looking good, but we just got to figure out why it's sparking and popping.
Yeah, the only thing I can think of at this point anymore is that it's just too much amperage for the breaker, and it's just tripping repeatedly. All right, let's get to it.
Hey, you got rid of the cobwebs in here.
Yes, all the cobwebs are gone. So
Good.
this is the line.
So
this line right here is the line that goes down and through into the garage. Yes.
think it popped.
Yes. It's always popped.
It's always popped.
Hey, the air conditioning turned off when you turned that on. That's a coincidence.
I'm sure that's unrelated.
So my current thoughts are to drill above through the wood underneath the siding and then drop it down into that hole.
Okay, so you just want to come out here and go out there, and you can run a line underneath the brick. I'm gonna put it
over the brick.
Over the brick.
Not through the brick.
Oh no.
You pull up the siding, drill a hole through, and then drop it down through here.
Okay, I'm gonna bury a line and put it in the conduit.
The conduit out and around.
Much spray foam here.
Yeah, I did that.
Wow.
What are you doing?
So let's make sure use that. Like you can use that where that comes in as a reference on the inside.
Right.
And go just above it to its left, if we can.
Like right here.
Yeah. Well, you don't want to come through the siding. You want to come through the.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So directly left of that, and looks like what, an inch or two above.
Like over here.
On the other, well, on this side's fine. I don't know where the box is in relation to that.
It should be directly below this.
Okay. Right of it's probably fine then.
Yeah, so we want to go over the brick, not through the brick.
Don't you want to go under the siding?
Under the siding.
Yeah, under the siding. You want to go over the siding, then you got to drill through aluminum and stuff. No, just go through the brick.
Go through the brick? I don't even know if I have anything to drill through a brick.
Thought you had a masonry bit.
I don't know if I have a masonry bit.
For your hammer drill. Oh, that's right. You bought a wood bit, didn't you?
It might be masonry too.
I don't think it is. It's pretty different.
No, it's an auger bit.
Yeah.
No masonry.
You need a masonry bit to drill through there. So you know what that means.
We got to go to Home Depot.
Driving to Home Depot.
Yay!
The favorite part of the project.
So we need to drill in the seam in the seam between the bricks or through the bricks.
I would go through the bricks. I wouldn't go through the seam.
Everything down there and is like right in the corner, not actually in the through the middle of the brick.
So
all right.
Just come across here and then bury it like we said and go all the way out.
Okay.
Now that all the earwigs are out of the way.
All right, we're going to Home Depot. So we got to drill through a concrete wall, and the only rotary drill I have is a Ryobi. I don't have any. Yeah, the only one I have is a Ryobi from when I drilled through some tree stumps earlier. Oh God, it's heavy. All right, stand by.
My rotary hammer.
In here. Don't worry, see if it's recording right now.
Oh.
There we go. In the miscellaneous bin. You got this, and then you get chop vac for sucking up concrete while we're drilling.
Yeah.
Watch out for pipes. Don't worry, all the lights in the house will dim while we're when I turn on the vacuum. This is my world famous workbench. Put some stuff on it that we might need later.
Ow.
You got the vacuum? Watch your head. Let's move some stuff out of the way. Oh God. Oh God.
Alright, where am I going to blow a breaker for this?
There's one in the long term right there, yes. It might actually blow the breaker, to be honest.
Well, is the hot tub off?
Yeah, it's off. No, it should be fine.
Wait, where's the... See, look at that, so I can unplug that. Perfect.
Oh, sure, yeah, you can do it. I need it on chisel mode, right?
Wait for it.
Oh, no chisel. I need drill and hammer, right? Extension. Don't worry, I'm just gonna drill through outside and into the conduit outside of the main power line.
Well, there isn't anything to the right, so you're fine, right?
Hypothetically, yes.
Yeah, potentially. That's true.
I'm not drilling, I'm just marking my spot here.
Good as any.
Oh God. Oh God, everything's terrible. I need eye protection.
Probably. Well, when you're ready to go, let me know. I'll start.
I'm ready.
Well,
This is the best bet. grip.
incoming.
Yeah. Yay, we did it.
Well, here, just shove that through there, kind of clear
shit in there. So. There it is.
Oh, it's a little dusty behind you.
It's all there. It's okay, I'll just breathe it in. And
Just up there.
yeah, it's like
I can't see
black
anything.
lung or something.
Who's got black lung?
Look at that. Perfect. All worked out.
Hey, I can see outside.
That's good.
Sweet.
Means we didn't hit anything.
That means I didn't hit anything. I did it, guys. I did it.
Figured it
I'm a
out.
real masonry expert. All right.
Brick man.
Brickman? Ooh. Yeah. The dust will clear out eventually. It's just, you know, fill the basement.
Use it.
Oh yeah, turn it on. Yeah. I actually have a dust fan. I forgot about that. Should have had that on the whole time. What are we, stupid?
I don't know, that would have been a good idea.
All right, so I guess our next step is to put conduit in.
Yeah, we want to put the wire through and.
We can put the wire through here and.
Well, you want to get conduit in first, then you can start feeding the line through. Shouldn't be too bad.
Oh, we got to hang the conduit too.
So
Sweet.
what I would do is we can put all the straight conduit on first. And
Oh, that's true.
feed through it, and then all you got to do is feed a little bit back in through the 90 into the inside. So if we just feed it from the other side, just straight in, it'll be a lot easier. And then yeah, we just put that in at the end.
Okay, good.
Out here, you want to run it over the window?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't really matter. It'll go above the vent.
Yeah, the vent doesn't even
That
matter.
amazing
The
vent with the foam.
I mean, the vent we don't even use anymore, so it's just there for looks, pretty much,
God,
or a
God.
future.
Looks like a hillbilly job.
I mean, it was such a cavernous hole. Sprayed everything we could in there.
Okay. Well, you know.
The bugs don't get in that way, okay? They don't get in through there, I swear. We actually put that window in too. This window right here in the corner of the frame. We actually installed
yeah?
it. Me and Teddy put that in ourselves too.
Oh, the block and everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's damage your house.
It's already damaged. We're here to fix it, remember?
It's perpetually damaged. So we want to be something like here. Oh God, yes. This is gonna go so bad. You don't even have a cover on it. Oh man.
No, it doesn't have a cover. I wish it did.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so bad.
Do you need another hand or are you good?
Maybe.
Hey.
Wow, there's wood under there.
I told you.
I'll be damned, your house is made of wood.
The whole house is wood. If this light's on fire, the thing's going in minutes. As he drills into a power line and shorts out
God,
the
that's
power house.
awful, but it's gonna be it.
That's gonna hold pretty good.
It's gonna hold great. Don't like it.